I am going to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First, I will get a plate out of the cabinet. I will open the cabinet door. I will get a plate, and then I will close the cabinet door. I put the plate on the counter. Now I will get a butter knife out of the drawer. This is a butter knife. Next, I will get peanut butter out of the pantry. I will put the peanut butter on the counter next to the plate. Now I will get the jelly out of the refrigerator. I like strawberry preserves because it has real strawberries in there. I will put the strawberry jelly on the counter next to the peanut butter. Next, I will get the bread out of the refrigerator. I will put the bread on the counter next to the plate. Now I will open the bread. And I will take out 2 slices of bread. And I will put 2 slices of bread on the plate. And now I will open the jar of peanut butter, and I will use the butter knife to spread peanut butter on the bread. I am putting peanut butter on 1 of the slices of bread. Now I will close the jar of peanut butter. And I will open the jar of strawberry preserves. And I will use the same knife to spread the strawberry preserves on the other piece of bread. I will use the second piece of bread to put the strawberry preserves. And now I will flip over the piece of bread with strawberry preserves and put it on top of the piece of bread with peanut butter. And I will cut my sandwich in half. Before I eat my sandwich, I will put the bread back in the refrigerator. I will also put the strawberry preserves back in the refrigerator. And I will put the jar of peanut butter back in the pantry. And I will close the pantry door. I will rinse off the butter knife in the sink. And then I will put the butter knife into the dishwasher. And now I can eat my peanut butter and jelly sandwich.